Yeah, guys, so I want you to go over the D&S family, guys, and subscribe to their channel. Subscribe and turn on the bell, guys, and let them know that CC and Nathan sent you. You see, guys, they have some nice content over there, so go subscribe and show them some love.
Over there, you can go and lay down with ladies to have sex, and them something there. And yes, guys, that dog, that house, that yard over there, guys, that you're looking at, guys, it's some terrible dog over there, guys. They will bite you if you're not looking. Yes, that one and that one over there, guys. If you're not looking, those dogs will bite you, guys. And when they bite you, guys, they bite you with ignorance. They will bite off your. Yeah, so what's going on, guys? And I don't know, and a boy King and a boy Nathan. Yeah. We're there on the heaven side. You see me? I say we're not on goal side and on God side. We're there on the heaven side. Yeah, and the world knows say I all away. But Nathan the phone show me dog still in the dark. God do dog. So people anyway me there still. You see me? I say, yeah, wish me soon come. Rain or Jew, you can't come out. So me there people, you see me? Yeah, me there go on. Walk with the boy Nathan and so I go on. Yeah. But me have something to tell you guys when no never know about. But me I got tell you what I go on in the near future or far future. In the near future, guys, or the far future, you see it? Yeah, man. So anyway, guys, me and Nathan there we there walk around the park over the Sawan Park. You see me? I say. So we are walking around the parking lot, guys, and Nathan is there and I'm here. And guys, look at those lovely coconut tree, guys. What am I? And I see them? Be a coconut, guys. And right now, guys, we are walking in the rain. Joe. Is me, I say, boy, I don't know if Nathan go sick, but me
good, man.
Me easy be sick. Me easy be sick out. Bad. I want to the video done already. Oh. I want to look eat it video me catch a share with brother, but he knows say a prank catch up. So me know hide the camera, me just put up the camera normally. And like me do a vlog and you hear? Yeah. But you know make it brother cause I know say a prank. I say my laugh. I say, what if I say no say a prank and need a freak figure around. So anyway guys. Oh you know dog, me hand tired already now youth. So I want to make it know say boy. No, I'm not telling you yet. Big man thing, what me have to tell you right now is not a joke. You see what I'm saying? No, it's no joke about it, man.
Yeah, no joke.
Brother.
Good man.
Right now, brother, yeah. So yeah, guys, we there walk around the city of a scheme. I randomly have a emergency pass, guy. Watch I comfortable for my foot. I'm emergency pass me have on.
Nautica.
Yeah, man. First me hear the brand is still Nautica. Yeah. So guys, somebody just want to say yo, big up CC and Nathan. You know what I say? I just want to roll for say big them up. So guys, anyway guys, me so alright, you know what them take time step up, you see me I say so anytime they reach 20,000 subscribers, guys. So want to know, so guys, if you watch the video, you know, make sure somebody want to like, comment, subscribe and share. So anytime they reach 20,000-30,000 subscribers, you know, say me I kick out them blood club. Sorry for cussing bad hood. Me I kick them up and take up a different YouTuber me know we needy and deserve it. You understand me? Somebody me know we fight for life. Somebody me know say boy, we not live no easy, we live easy life. No, me not pick up them some other people. I want to find somebody me know say boy, they must struggle. You see me I say? And them are the YouTube and I reach now. Them somebody make a bus next half and eat and CC. The kick of them blows and skirt. You see me I say? Yeah. So guys, so we just walk around the scheme, guys. The scheme nice. Nice house, nice place. And you see me I say, I one of the beautiful scheme in Westmoreland. And you see me guys, and I can see pretty house. You see me I say? Yeah guys. And this is the house, guys, if you want to bring house if you want to bring a girl go. Like if you want to have sex, yes you can bring a girl come here to have sex. that is over there, guys. That is over there. You can go and lay down with ladies to have sex, and them something there. And yes, guys, that dog, that house, that yard over there, guys, that you're looking at, guys, it's some terrible dog over there, guys. They will bite you if you're not looking. Yes, that one and that one over there, guys. If you're not looking, those dogs will bite you, guys. And when they bite you, guys, they bite you with ignorancy. They will bite off your pants off of you, and if you have one panty, they will bite it off. So next time, guys, if you are coming around the side and you don't have on any panty, they will bite off your boom boom.
See them one day,
Yeah, guys, I saw some big dog in the guys, then tall like a human. Them guys, if you see them guys, the dog then tall. So see them come, guys. Yeah, them dog guys, then call him pitbull, pitbull and Rottweiler, guys. Them dog guys, them 8 foot tall. Yes, them taller than me, guys. 8 foot tall dog, them 8 foot tall. Yes, guys, and then walk over you and bite off your head. Oh God. Lord of mercy. Ooh, man, I drink Cersei.
Alright, is that church that?
No, sir. I park like if any little thing I go on.
Yeah.
Over the same attack, guys. In the church, I want park.
Like one center.
Like one center, yeah. Like any little thing I go on, you know. Suppose you keep, you can't keep any little thing over there. And enjoy yourself. And everything. Guys, wow, look at that beautiful house, guys. The house, yeah. Come like a foreign house. Yeah, not true? Yeah, it will be looking like a foreign house. It look nice, no guys, God know. Alright, you ever see you ever watch some show and some scary movie? Yeah, the house look nice. The house look nice like a movie night and outside on the land. Look the guys, like a foreign house, but not gonna lie. So anyway guys, me here and me walk around the place cause the place boring, so I need to walk. And we have a vlog. Same time, guys. So me I say, so guys, please do remember, guys, remember to like, and comment and share and make sure tell Nathan say I CC no I King and Shay send Big up to my proper self. And big up to myself. And big up to
20K, guys.
Road to 20K, guys. You hear that? See that? You see me? Yeah, me a bad boy. You see me I say? Me alone at the boss walk. No boy can walk boss like me. I want to them. You see me I say? Yeah man, a rough neck dog. People, I'm wicked and me bad people. You see me I say? No boy not bad like me. You see me I say? You guys, me not telling you, no boy not bad like me, guys. And me a baddest man in a Godland that God ever build. Guys, me no kill nobody yet. Guys, me tell you what me kill goat, fowl, rat, mosquito, puss, and ants. All type of creature me kill, guys. Me murder them. Guys, who ever seen snake it? You ever seen snake it, boy?
Snake?
What you mean?
No, sir.
Me eat snake enough time, dog.
Pass the tripod.
You never seen snake it, dog?
No, sir.
Dog, snake nice, sweet brother. You want me tell you, it's a snail, bullfrog, alligator, and crocodile. Me eat them already? Me eat snake. Yo, me tell you, me eat snake, alligator, crocodile, me eat shark, me eat puss.
Yeah. Me never eat that.
You need puss?
No, sir.
Me eat puss, me eat puss enough time, dog.
People say they eat shark, bro.
I puss me a talk about, dog. Me eat puss.
No.
You need puss, dog? Puss nice eating a dog.
You eat kitty.
Kitty, of course me eat kitty puss.
Kitty.
Dog, you eat.
Small one, them carry the chain.
No, you remember the one again. Time get later, dog. Is the mess you have to learn to eat puss, dog. Puss nice, sweet dog.
Yes, sir. How you tell man?
No, man, he good, man. He good. You see me? You have to learn to eat puss, brother. When you grow up in life,
Yeah.
when a skinny puss. When a skinny puss. Roast what? When a skinny puss dog and chew and he can curry in the dog. When he curry is sweet. You see me? I'm telling you. I mean, we can't eat the puss in the dog. I can curry puss, French fry puss. And puss can't raw sometimes. You see me? Yeah, dog. You don't believe me, dog?
You believe you, man?
When I grew up big dog, I thought feel like a man, I thought it puss.
Yeah. You not eat no pussy.
Dog, peep. What, a pussy you want Nathan to eat? You don't puss there?
Make it fair.
See. Yeah, you want small puss? Get small puss. Come here. You have one big puss? See. A big pussy you have? See. Me ask if a big pussy you have. If a big pussy you have, can I come later and eat it? If a two pussy you have, guys. Guys, don't follow me. If you follow me, guys, you will dying or deading. So, I'm determined, guys, for CC and Nathan to fly away Peter, fly away Paul. Then look a blackbird standing on the wall. Wishes don't come out, rain is falling. Down comes out, wish. Down comes out. So anyway, guys, yeah, I want to do for me, guys. I want to like, guys. I want to comment. I want to subscribe, guys. You see me, I say, because you don't know, I'm on the channel and I take over the channel and the channel belongs to me. Whenever channel belongs to me, the channel belongs to me. Okay? So, get up. Yeah, guys. Feel nice, I know. Feel nice, you know, guys. Ooh. Yes, me on tripod. Me on tripod. Jesus Christ. What are the guys? Fall rain. No man, need a fall, man. They can lick you. Yeah, guys, you see it, guys. Look, come on, guys. You see me, I say dirt. You see it?
Dirt.
Ding dong style. You see me, I say. Watch me now. Guys, our music that we are shot, guys.
Yeah.
Kick out. Where them there? CC. Get them right up. Yes, guys. I'm just having a little bit of fun, you know. Sometimes you have a little fun, sometimes I can't get to be and serious and be scrupulous. Yes. I just want to say, them boys go on like them are going with them big gun. But if them just give me one day in the force, I gun all of them down. And they want to know that. And I just want them to know that. And I'm very dangerous. That dog is too sensitive. And I'm just asking them to give me.
Watch your people.
I don't like dog, brother. I'm afraid of dog. Yes, people. They are going like they don't want to give me 2 days in the force. If they give me 2 days in the force,
everybody dead.
And I will show them something.
Anywhere we go with bad, never sorry. But this, like, share, comment, and subscribe if you don't do it already.
Yeah, guys, like, comment, subscribe, and share.
Remember, set the notification bell. Then I reach out.
Guys, remember, it's the boy King, and I'm gone, and I'm out. See you, Nathan. Cut it!
Cut it!